Hello, this is Kyle. I'm making this video more for myself as a matter of record in case I need to do some of this stuff again. But it's a Wilcox Crittenden toilet assembly. It's from my head in a Cape Dory 33. And believe me, this is not what it looked like before. It was, it was really a mess, and it was corroded, and it had some paint on it. I took all that off, and I discovered that underneath it was solid bronze. It was just beautiful. And so I was thinking I might even leave it like that, but my cousin who owned it before me convinced me to paint it because she said, logically, it was going to get that green patina, really fast. So I did paint it kind of a bronze color, and that's why it looks like this. So, but it was quite an adventure, and I'm still not finished, but I got most of it done. So if you have one of these, I don't need to explain it to you, but maybe you've never taken it apart. So underneath this assembly here is a piece like this, and so that might need to be replaced. The thing is, it's hard to find parts for this. You may have to get one kit or two kits to put together what you need. So good luck with that, and just take care of what you have because you may have to use it again. This is, underneath the toilet. The toilet goes here. So this spring here keeps this up. So you have this piece here, which has got kind of a piece of bronze metal thing on the bottom. And that goes like that. And there's another seal on top of that. Okay, and then when you flush, of course, it pushes that down. Okay. My pedal was sticking. I think I've gotten that taken care of. I had to take this apart, and that was the reason why I'm doing this video, is to remind me what's in there. So I think I got this going again, although it seems too easy. I may have to redo a seal in there. But and these are all new gaskets. As you can see, my cousin ended up getting lots of extra parts. Some of these don't even go with this head, but it came in the kit, and so, well, you have it. All right, so underneath there's a washer here that I had to take out, but inside of this assembly, you push the tettle down, there's a spring at the bottom, and it wasn't springing back, but I discovered that this washer on the inside, as well as this piece, which is the cap, that rod goes through that washer and then into this cap. And so I've only done some cleaning. As you can see, I still need to get some more of this buildup off this rod, and more buildup out of this hole. But just getting most of it out, it began to work better. So it was really just a matter of buildup. And that's basically it. Lots of brass that I had to buy, and it's not cheap, but I couldn't get it in my local store. I always try my local hardware store first, but believe it or not, I found all this stuff and the bolts and stuff I'm using in Lowe's. So, or you can go to Fastenal probably, and they would have it. Okay, I guess that's about it.